Today, we're talking about something that might seem small, but has a huge impact on your manifestation journey: decluttering your energy by clearing your physical and mental space. Let's get started. Did you know that your environment is a reflection of your inner world? Clutter around you can create stagnant energy, making it harder for you to focus, feel inspired, and align with your desires. Think of it this way: if your space is chaotic, it's sending mixed signals to the universe. And guess what? Mixed signals lead to mixed results. When you clear your space, you're not just organizing your home or workspace, you're also telling the universe, "I'm ready to receive." You're creating room for new opportunities, abundance, and ideas to flow into your life. Energy needs space to move freely, and decluttering is the first step to inviting that flow. Now, let's talk about how to do it. Here are 3 simple steps to declutter your energy and align yourself for manifestation magic. Start small. Focus on one area at a time, like your desk or a single drawer. Small wins build momentum. Let go of what doesn't serve you, whether it's old clothes, outdated beliefs, or unnecessary commitments. Release them with gratitude. Infuse your space with intention. After decluttering, add a touch of positive energy. Light a candle, place a crystal, or play uplifting music. Decluttering isn't just physical, it's mental too. If your mind is filled with doubts, worries, and negative thoughts, it's hard to focus on your goals. Take time to journal, meditate, or simply pause and breathe. A clear mind is a powerful manifesting tool. When you declutter your space and your mind, you'll feel lighter, more focused, and more connected to your desires. Suddenly, ideas flow easily, and you feel ready to take inspired action. It's a game changer for manifesting what you want. Remember, decluttering isn't just about tidying up, it's about making space for your dreams to come true. So take that first step today and watch how the energy shifts in your life. If this video resonated with you, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more manifestation tips. And click the link below this video for more help with manifesting.